Good morning, Miva. Good Monday morning. Yes, it is Marchness, the second day of March. So we begin our main March, Madness March, whatever you want to call it, going forward this month. A lot of great things. I'll be bringing that up in the next slide. So our quote of the day, we'll get started on that. Mindfulness involves paying attention with a focused mind in the present moment without judgment. All right, let's keep that going. So Maine is the way we celebrate in March, right? March Maineness, days 1 to 5 this week. We are looking to do day 1, which is Maine Flannel Day. You can see I'm decked out in my flannel. I even got a flannel tie. It's probably not too obvious to you, but I got a tie just for the occasion here that's flannel. I didn't have a flannel one otherwise, so I thought it'd be fun to have one just for this occasion. So day 2 is Stress Day, so share kind, helpful, and specific tips on how you reduce stress. Day 3 this week will be Crazy Hair Day. That'll be fun. Post a photo or tell a story about your crazy hair. And day 4 is Hat Day. Share a picture or story about your favorite hat. And then on day 5, it's Nature Day. How do you enjoy nature? Post a picture or story. So we'll be doing that throughout the whole month of March. So these are the first 5 days for this week. So let's have some fun. All right. All right, so March 2nd, 2017, our science special of the day was AI makes long odds for poker professionals. In yet another blow to professional No Limits Texas Hold'em players, an updated version of the card-playing artificial intelligence DeepStack decisively defeated 11 professional players after playing 3,000 hands against each person. The AI, developed by computer scientists from the University of Alberta in Canada, roundly beat human players at the no limits version of the game, a variant of Texas Hold'em that boasts a massively more complex and demanding betting system. This feat was achieved by using deep learning methods, a technology that allows AI to analyze thousands of games in order to develop an intuition for how to play. Developers are confident that future iterations of DeepStack will prove even more dominant than the current versions. All right, so yes, fun facts for your brain on this Monday, March 2nd. And now let's move to our day in history. Well, in 1776, Americans began shelling British troops in Boston, and that's because of General Knox, who had taken over Fort Ticonderoga. He wanted to battle there and moved all of the cannon from Vermont to Boston and surprised the British by setting it up and having a bombardment to get them out of Boston. So that was kind of a neat thing that this little ragtag army of revolutionary soldiers did. In 1781, Maryland ratifies the Articles of Confederation, and she is the last state to sign. So that, again, is the first form of government we have, the Articles of Confederation. Later, we figured out we needed a more solid union, and so we did the Constitution in 1787. But that was the first one, and Maryland was the final state to do it. In 1836, we were following a little bit of this from the Alamo, right? Texas declares independence from Mexico on Sam Houston's 43rd birthday. All right. In 1877, Rutherford B. Hayes is declared president by one vote the day before inauguration. That was quite something. All right, so that's your day in history. Well, today is World Teen Mental Wellness Day. All right. And that is March 2nd. So on March 2nd, World Teen Mental Wellness Day aims to raise greater awareness of mental health issues among teens, as well as provide education about removing stigmas surrounding preventative mental health. So according to the American Psychological Association, Generation Z has the worst mental health of any generation. However, teens are dedicated to making a difference. According to YPulse, 64% of Gen Z say they want to achieve a healthier lifestyle for overall happiness, including a stronger self-care routine. Also, 94% consider mental health very important to their well-being. Ultimately, raising awareness about mental health and the importance of self-care can help improve an entire generation's mental wellness. And so we are interested in your wellness and mentally and academically and physically and all that. So I thought it might be appropriate to kind of take a minute just to say, well, you need to keep that in mind, that mental health is as important as any other type of health. And we want you talking to our teachers and talking to your parents, of course, your learning coaches, and getting the help that you need if you do. It's a sign of strength if you know you need help and you're getting it, okay? So keep that in mind today. All right, don't forget our virtual science fair is coming up in just a couple and a half weeks, right? So the 18th, so just about 2 weeks from now, and 18th and 19th, so it'll be 5 to 6 o'clock. So keep working on those science projects, and that'll be a fun couple of evenings, I believe, for us here at MEVA. First time ever virtual science fair. So make sure that you're talking to your science teachers to get more information and to get help to finish up your projects. Okay, that'll be fun to see. Can't wait. All right, there's also a student matinee at Public Theater coming up on the 18th, and so that's going to be in the morning. All right, so that's Mrs. Hamilton is putting this on, so make sure that you email her at this email address, chamilton@mainvirtual.org, if you would like to go. And the rescheduled Maine house tour is on March 12th. So that's 10 days from now, right? A week from Thursday. And Ms. Valley is looking to have you RSVP her. That's vvalley@mainvirtual.org so that you can do a tour of the State House. And there's a MEVA Creative Writing Club that's going to be meeting on Tuesdays from 3:30 to 4. So contact Dr. C for more information. And her email is hchapdelaine@mainvirtual.org. Okay, so that's a great club for everybody that likes to do any writing. Okay, nice. Oh, and don't forget, re-registration for school year 2020-21, that's next year, right, is taking place now. So you have another week to log into your parent portals, okay? So have your parents go into their portals and do this re-registration process. We want you coming back next year, so it's really important that you get that in this week, all right, so that you have your place saved. After this week, then we open it up to everyone else that would like to come to MEVA. And we have a nice long waiting list, so people are trying to get in. So we want to make sure that you hold your place. Okay, that's it for today. So enjoy your advisory time and make it a great day, everyone. All right, bye-bye.